Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your handle in the Bluesky app quickly and easily. Whether you want a new username or just want to update your current one, this guide will help you do it without any confusion. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the top left and click on the three-line menu icon. Next, from the menu, select the Settings option. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Accounts section and click on it. Then, click on the Handle option. You will see your current handle displayed. Enter your new desired handle in the text box provided. Make sure to choose a unique handle that is not already taken to avoid errors. After entering your new handle, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Your handle will now be updated and visible to others on Bluesky. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.